Okay, good evening, dear student. After a long time, we are meeting in maths lecture. Tomorrow PTA meeting is there, so you attend as a PTA member who are there in a given time. For Teachers Day also we have to prepare. So tell your friends to do something different, something attractive. In AP arithmetic progression, one topic is remain, assume method. When you have to assume three number, always assume first or a middle A, then A minus D, A plus D. When you have to consider 5 number, again A minus D, A minus 2D, A plus D, A plus 2D. When there are 3 number, middle number is A minus 3, A plus 3. Or this side you can take minus. Both are correct. These are minus, these are plus. These are minus, these are plus. A plus D, A minus D. For 5 number, A plus D, A plus 2D. A minus D, A minus 2D. And for 4, this is 5. Now 4, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2. Minus D, 0 plus D. Minus 2D, minus D, 0 plus D. So here difference is only D, single D. Here difference is 2D. Minus 2D, minus 2D, minus 2D. I have not read the question. Question will be on the base of 3 number, so start with this. Question on the base of 4 number, you start with this. Question on the base of 5 number, you start with this. Okay. Now page number 73, sum number 7. 3 consecutive AP. So let three AP are A minus D, A plus D. They will give 2 conditions. As a simultaneous equation, when you will solve, you will get A and D. Substitute, you will get 3 number. How? See. Sum of 3 number is 27. Condition number 1, A minus D plus A plus A plus D is 27. It is clear now? And their product is 504, but simplify this. A minus D plus A plus D. Cancel this, 27. So 3A is equal to 27. A is equal to 27 by 3 is equal to 9. So A is equal to 9. Sum of 3 number given. So I have sorted out it. I have simplified. So I got A is equal to 9. Now they have given product condition number 1, sum of 3 number is 27. Condition number 3, product of 3 number is 504. No, so this plus this is equal to what? A square minus d square. A plus b, a minus b, product is a square minus b square. So this into this is equal to this, and here it is a, and a is equal to 9. Substitute 9 square minus d square, 9504. Now 9 9s are 81 minus d square is equal to 504 by 9. This number goes 9 down. 81 minus d square is equal to now, okay, so 9 9s are 81, d square, 9 goes down, 9 5s are 45, 5 remain, 9 6s are 54, so it is 56. Now this will come this side, so negative to positive. Now this also will negative to positive. So what is the difference? 25. So d is under root 25. So d can be plus or minus 5. Answer of d are double, plus 5 minus 5, because plus 5 square 25, minus 5 square also 25. Now you have a is equal to what? 9. D is equal to what? Plus or minus 5. So first I will select plus 5. So a minus d, a minus d, a plus d. 1 to 3 number we have considered, no? That we have to find out. 9 plus 5, no? So minus here, so 5, 9 plus 5. So it is 4, 9, 14, 5 difference. So it can be 4, 9, 14, or if we will get instead of plus 5 minus 5, it will be 14, 9, 4. So whatever the answer coming, that you have to write in reverse side, because with plus it is 4, 9, 14, with minus 5 it is 14, 9, 5. Because here it will be plus plus, minus minus plus, and here it will be minus. So you will get second answer. Again, in the question it is given consider 3 AP. So I have considered. Then they have given sum of 3 number is 27. So plus d minus d cancel. 1a, 2a, 3a. 3a is equal to 27. A is equal to 27 by 9. 27 by 3. So 9. Now condition number 2. Always they will give this number 3 or 4 or 5. Then they will give one condition. Then they will give second condition. Second condition, a into b into c means first bracket into second bracket into third bracket is equal to 504. First and last product is a square minus d square. 9. A, this is a. Here only a. Then a means 9. A means 9. 9 goes down. It is 56. A 9 means 81. 9 square means 81. So 56 goes this side. D square goes this side. Minus to plus, plus to minus. Difference is 25. D square is equal to 25. Don't write like this. You can write like this also. By taking square root, it will be plus and minus. So with plus I have simplified. Whatever the answer, write in reverse form. Now, next question. Find 4 consecutive number whose sum is 12 and third and fourth term is 14. Now four sum. Now let 4AP be A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D, A minus 3D. First they will give the number. In previous sum they have given 3. In next sum they have given 4. In next sum they will give 5. So 4 given, so I will write this. Condition number 1, that total is 12. So A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D is equal to 12. So 3D minus 3D cancel, D minus D cancel, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4A is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 by 4. 4 3s are 1 we got. Now next, second is given. Sum of third number and fourth number. Third plus fourth is equal to condition number 2, correct? 14. Second condition. This is first condition. Total of all. Now total of third and fourth. First, second, third and fourth. So A plus D plus A plus 3D is equal to 14. A to A plus 4D. Correct? Now substitute. A is equal to 3. 2 into 3 plus 4D. 3 Ds are 6. D is equal to 2. Hello? Hello? Who is speaking in between? A is 3. Shreya, Priya, mute the mic. A plus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Who is speaking? Mute the mic. A is 3. Priya, tell. So 3 minus 6, 3 minus 2, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 6, it is 9, it is 5, it is 1, it is minus 3. Say. 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 अरे यार. Okay. See again. First sum we have seen 7th number, 3 numbers. 8th question, consider 4 numbers. So 1, 2, 3. This I have given previous. So this 4 you have to remember. When they will ask 3, you write this. When they will ask 4, you write this. When they will ask 5, you write this. That is remain. So let the number 4 number be a plus 3d, a plus d, a minus d, a minus 3d. 4 number. Condition number 1, that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, total is 12. So plus d minus d cancel, plus d minus d cancel. 4a is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 by 4. So 3. A we got. Now condition number 2, they have given third number and fourth number. First, second, third number and fourth number. That is 14. A plus a 2a, d plus 3d 4d 14. 2 into a, 2 into 3, 4d 14. 6 subtract 8. 4d is equal to 8. So 8d is equal to 2. So we got two answers, this and this. Now again 4 we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. All a are 3, 3, 3, 3. All d are 2. 3 2s are 6. 2, 2, 3 2s are 6. 3 minus 6 minus 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 6, 9. So these are the number, 4 number, which we have considered now. 1, 2, 3, 4, that is minus 3, plus 1, 5, 9. Now you check with the condition. You check with the condition that total of all is 12. 9 plus 5, 14. Plus 1, 16. 9 plus 5, 14. Plus 1, 15. 15 minus 3, 12. And they have given sum of third number and fourth number. Sum number of third number and fourth number is 14. 9 plus 5, 14. Now third method means third pattern of 3 number we have seen, fourth number we have seen, now 5 number. Now 5 number. For 5 number example are not given, but I can make, okay, no problem. Let phi AP be first middle number a plus d, a minus d, a plus 2d, a minus 2d. These are the 5 number I have considered, because this 3 number example done, 4 number done, now 5 number. Now condition number 1, total is 45. Total is 45. So a minus 2d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a minus 2d is equal to 45. 2d cancel, plus and minus, this is plus and minus cancel. So 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 times. Correct? Now product of first term and last term also it is given 45. Second condition, first into fifth also it is 45. So first term is what? A minus 2d. Last number is what? A plus 2d. And the product is what? So whenever x plus y, x minus y, so at that time x square minus y square. So a square minus b square means this. Again x plus y, x minus y is equal to first square minus second square. When it is plus and minus, so x square minus y square. Like that, a square minus 2 to the 4, d square 45. Now a is what? 9 square 4d 45. 81 4d 45. This comes this side. 81 minus 45 is equal to 4d. 81 minus 45 is 36. So d is equal to 36 divided by 4. Correct? Now all 5 numbers, a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. Whatever the 5 numbers I have assumed that I am writing, because now I got a, I got d, both I will substitute. So a is equal to 9, all first is a. Correct? Here minus, here nothing, here plus, 2 time d, 2 time d. Correct? Something went wrong. Sorry, it is d square. D square is equal to 9. So d is equal to plus or minus 3. So this is 3. This is 3 only. Nothing. 3 only. So 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 9 itself. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 6. So 9, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. This. That I have considered and I have formed one equation. I have formed one question for you. How? I have considered this in addition of 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. What I have given the condition that the total is 15. So I have got 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 15, 30. 30 plus 12, 42 plus 3, 45. So total is 45. Then I have given first number and last number, product of first and last. 15 3s are 45, that I have given. Suppose I will give different condition, sum of odd and sum of even. Same, by different question. Sum of odd, condition number 1. Sum of odd even position. This and this is 27. Second, sum of odd position. Sorry, odd position is this, even is 18. I have taken this plus this plus this, and then I have taken this 18. Sum of even position. Even position means 2 and 4. So A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 18. And sum of odd position 1, 3, 5. A minus 2D, A plus 2D is equal to 27. Here this and this cancel. So 2A is equal to 18. So A is equal to 9. Here also this cancel. So 3A is equal to 27. Is equal to 9. Sum of middle 3 is 27. We will take the product of first two number. Don't do this. Product of is 18 number. So first number is A minus 2D. Second number is A minus D. Now A is 9. 9 minus 2D. Or open the bracket. A into A square minus AD minus 2AD plus 2D square is equal to 18. Now A is equal to 9. So it is 81. 9D. A is equal to 9. 9 to the 18D plus 2D square. Correct. So I will write 2D square. 27D. 18 this side. So it is 63. Now it is a quadratic equation, right? 2A square, 27D, this side, 20 less 60, 61, 62, 63. Correct? Now this into this factor. 63, 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 7s are 7 1, and these two factor. So 20D square minus 21D minus 6D minus 63 0. Common, D only common, 2D 3 common. So d 2d minus 21 d minus 3 is equal to 0. So d minus 3 is equal to 0, d is equal to 3. This also you can take 2d is equal to minus 21, difference is equal to minus 21 by 2. So negative we will not take, we will take positive. A minus 2d, a means what? 9 minus 2, 3, 3 to the 6, first number. Second number, a minus d means 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Third number, a is equal to 9. Fourth number, fifth number, three to the 6 plus 9. In assume method, there are only three number, 4 number or 5 number. If it is 3 number, center always a minus d, a plus d. So difference is only single d. If there are 5 numbers, so these 3 number will be the same. These 3 number will be the same. Add here a minus 2d, a plus 2d. Correct? If there are 4 numbers, so a minus d, a plus d means minus 1 to plus 1, there is a difference of 2. Add 2, d plus 3d, minus d minus 3d. 4 is slightly odd. Okay, suppose you want to take 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 also you can take. First 4 continuous, you cannot miss, or last 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. First 4 you can take, so hide this. Last 4 you can take, so hide this. These 4 also you can consider. Correct? Okay, now I think 2-3 minutes remain. I want to talk.